Welcome to today's session. Today I'm going to discuss about question number 2 of class 10 11.2 exercise construction lesson. The question is construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 cm from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 cm and measure its length. Also verify the measurement by actual calculation. So here is given the rough figure. Concentric circle meaning the two circles with the same center and different radii. So here it is given concentric circle of radius, one is 4 cm and 6 cm. So here I have drawn a circle, just I have given a rough figure here, circle C1 and circle C2. Circle C1 of radius 4 cm and C2 of radius 6 cm we should construct, and mark a point P outside the P on circle C2 and draw two tangents P and PB to circle C1. So this is our construction. So we can go through how to construct that. First we should construct a circle of radius 4 cm. Next we should construct another circle of radius 6 cm with same center. So center of circle we can mark it as O. We have concentric circle. The definition of concentric circle is circles with same center and different radii. So we can mark the circle as first circle C1 and the second circle we can mark it as C2. Now mark a point on circle C2. So let it be P. Join OP. Draw the perpendicular bisector of OP for constructing tangent from point P to circle C1. So more than half of OP with O as center. Draw arcs on either side of OP. With P as center and same radius, cut the above arcs. Now join these points. Let the point be Q with Q as center and OQ as radius, draw a circle OQ or QP as radius. This cuts the circle C1 at 2 points. Let it be A and B. Join AP and PP. So P and PP are the required tangents from the point P of circle C2 to circle C1. So in this question it's asked to verify the length of PA and PB by using actual calculation. So actual calculation if you want to do, you have to join OA you should join. Then OA, the length of OA, that is the radius of circle C1. We know that it is 4 centimeter. We can mark it as 4 centimeter. And OP length, that is the radius of circle C2, 6 centimeter. And we should find the length of AP. So by using ruler, we can measure the length of AP. So it's 4.4 it is coming, 4.5. The length of AP is 4.5. Question, it is asked to verify the length of AP by actual calculation. So if you want to verify the length of AP by actual calculation, just I will give the step to verify. you know that OA and AP are perpendicular to each other because radius and tangent are perpendicular at the point of contact. So A is the point of contact, OA is the radius and PA is the tangent to circle C1. Therefore, OA is perpendicular to PA. Then by using a Pythagoras theorem, we can find out the value of PA by using OA and OP. OA and OP you have to use and find out the value of PA by using Pythagoras theorem. So we can verify the length of tangent by using actual calculation. For actual calculation, we can consider triangle OAP. So a triangle OAP, angle OA is 90 degree because radius and tangent are perpendicular to each other. So OA is perpendicular to AP, therefore angle A is 90 degree. We can apply Pythagoras theorem here. OA square plus AP square is equal to OP square. So OA, that is the radius of small circle, that is C1 circle 4 square, plus AP, we constructed the tangent and we measured the tangent. So 4.5 the whole square is equal to OP square, that is 6 square. So we have to verify whether both are equal or not. So 4 square is 16 plus 4.5 the whole square, 45 into 45, that is 20.25 we are getting is equal to 36. So 20 plus 16, that is 36.25, that's equal to 36. So that 25 decimal we can ignore and then we can write okay, verification is over, because 36.25 we can write it as a round figure and 36 is equal to 36 we can say. Sometimes that small changes will come in that measurement because I am using in that system construction. So if you do, you will get the correct answer. So verify in this only. Just I have shown that how to verify by using actual calculation. So I think you might have got the method how to construct a tangent from concentric circle to the outside circle to the circle or circle C2 to circle C1. Thank you.